Hey, so good morning, elite members. Good morning. Apologies, this watch list video is coming out a bit late. I had a portfolio review with one of our elite members this morning, and it did run over because it was really good. It was really good. But yes, so I dropped out the video. I dropped out my watch list earlier, well, yesterday actually, telling you what I was watching. CLSK, ACEV, GEVO and NNDM, nano dimensions. Now, CLSK, okay, I'm considering it to be a multi-month swing. Again, that was due to a short seller report by Culper Research, okay? And if you read the report, it's baseless. Again, it reminds me of the short seller report that came out for Tattooed Chef a couple of months ago. Very baseless, very poorly written, and CleanSpark themselves has responded to the short seller report as false. Okay, again, categorically denying these claims in the short seller report. But of course, the market again overreacting as usual. A lot of pessimism, and we saw the share price drop from $42 all the way down to $24. Now, I want to get in to this position. Okay, like I said, it's going to be a multi-month swing trade. Ideally, I want to get it no more than 30. I don't want to pay any more than $30 for this company, because at $30 that would represent a 42% gain if we do retest our previous highs. Okay, so for $30 or any less than $30, I'm game. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to probably put 50% of my position in. And yeah, just try and get a 40% gain on this. And I think if momentum continues, we could break past the our 52-week highs, and that will be great for us. Of course, again, represents we can make more profit on our investment. And yeah, I do see the momentum there. However, I will make you aware there's been quite a few lawsuit actions, I guess. But again, this is something that we have seen all the time. These class action lawsuits go nowhere, absolutely nowhere. And, they've been jumping on CleanSpark now since that short seller report. And again, I am pretty much certain none of this will go anywhere. It's very common. Everyone's clocked onto it now. So my only concern really is where we're at pre-market. Okay, so pre-market, we're sitting at $29. Like I said, it's still a buy for me. Anything higher than $30, I'm not interested in. All right, so I'm going to be a bit greedy there, and I want it. If we can stay at $29, I'm buying. All right, I'm buying because you've seen the upside. Next, we have GEVO, ticker symbol GEVO. I have covered this on a video on my YouTube channel. Definitely check it out. We've run up crazy. We've run up crazy. So my average, what was my average? Let me check my Discord, my buy sell alert. I think my average was $8.70. Okay, and I only put 25% of my position in, with the anticipation that we can touch $8. Okay, so or around about the lower eights, I would have been prepared to put some more in, but as you can see, price has gone on stupid since then. We are up. Let's have a look. Let me bring up the charts. Sorry, this is a bit off the cuff. But yeah, so yeah, we got in at what? Yeah, so I had, this was my target, $8. We're currently now trading higher than our previous highs, because it was 11. Yeah, our 52 weeks highs was 11.68. We're now trading higher than that, which is insane. Again, this is what we expected would happen, but I had hoped for a more significant pullback as a result of the direct offering. That's not been the case, and price has run up. Okay, and this is one thing that I need to crack this. Okay, I need to crack this. Like, what do you do if you invest a small position and the price runs up? The same thing happened with Airbnb. And the answer is I don't know. I don't really know what to do. I'm very comfortable averaging down. I like it when the price goes down, which is why I don't go all in initially, because as most of you are probably already aware, with the likes of BIOL, BioLace, my timing sucks. at times. I'll probably be right in the long term, but in the short term, my timing has sucked, and I've known that for myself, which is why I always start with 25% of a position. But in cases like GEVO, where I was anticipating a pullback further to $8 to then load up, and it hasn't been the case, and now price has gone up crazy. So what did I say I wanted to do? I think I said I wanted to consider averaging up. Yeah, I don't know if I will. I'll be honest, I don't know if I will, because we're already trading above our 52 weeks highs. I am now, well, that's 21%, right? So before market close, I was already up 20%. So if we open at this price, I'm already up 40%, and most of you guys that bought in as well in this swing trade should be up 40% plus on GEVO. So I don't know. If I do average up, of course, I'll let you know in the buy and sell alerts, but I'm not happy that we've just run up crazy. I was hoping that we would retest 8s. But hey, there we go. Nano Dimensions is going to the moon. Yeah, of course it's going to the moon. Look at it. It's up 12%. Up 12% in pre-market. Now, if management stick to trend, should I say, we should expect a direct offering very, very soon. And that will probably be for what? $500 million, because our last direct offering was I think 350 million, I think it was. So yeah, I strongly expect a direct offering, and you know how the game goes. If we get another direct offering, then the share price should pull back, and again, buy on pullbacks. Like most of you know, I have an incredible average. My average for Nano Dimensions is $5, and I always buy dips. So if we do see a pullback from where we're at, so at pre-market we're at $14, I think it was it $14 or $16? I think they need to upgrade. If we can pull back to about maybe sub 13, maybe about 10 or 11% pullback. Yeah, we're at 16. Damn. Yeah, trading views behind. Yeah, but if we can, okay, so $13 is probably a bit optimistic. Yeah, but I don't want to buy Nano Dimensions anything more than $13 at the moment. So if we can pull back below $13 a share, I would consider averaging up again from $5 and just track this company as it continues to do a madness. All right. And I think my last position was ACEV that I wanted to consider for a long-term investment. Now with this, I'm not going to go into too much detail. I started researching this company over the weekend. It was the XPOG that put this on my radar. As it stands right now, I have identified a few red flags, which I need to investigate further. And again, with my long-term growth investments, I do go heavy from the get-go. I don't do any phasing in like I do for swing trades. So with this, I want to be absolutely sure I am happy with this position before I go in. And yeah, but just to probably round it up, I did respond to Kay. Kay asked me a question regarding ACEV, so check it out. It's in the general SPAC talks. I gave him some of my pros, and then he also identified some red flags because he's also been looking into this company, which is fantastic. So that's where I am with ACEV. I'm still doing my DD on the company. But if I do open a position, of course, you guys will know. But I did kind of give you guys a heads up, so you can then do your own DD as well. But yeah, that's about it. I mean, apart from that, let's just feast our eyes on GameStop while we're here. Why don't we? Oh, wow, it's dropped 60%. So it was up 100%. So GameStop, it's just been silly. Do you know what I'm saying? It's just been silly. Over $103 a share. I mean, yeah. But yeah, guys, have a great week, elite members. Thank you so much. I think it's a final week of January, and I think majority of us has killed it this week. We have had an incredible week this week. So it's the final week of January. Let's end the week strong, going into February. And like I said, it's going to be an exponential year for us in our portfolios. I'm hoping I need a certain amount. I need to hit a certain figure by this week to cross a certain milestone for my penny stock and swing trading portfolio, and I will let you guys know about that. But yeah, have a great week, and yeah, I'll see you in the chat.